And today's video, you guys, is sponsored by Decojoy. Now, me and my special guest,
hello,
we are going to be showing you guys how to do this rainbow scratch note. Now, if that's not interesting to you, make sure you guys stay tuned. Also, share the channel with your family and friends. This is super kid friendly for an amazing game night, kid night, sleepover, whatever the case may be. We're going to jump right into the video. And to you guys, during this video, I did speed up some of it as well because me and TT talked throughout this little DIY Decojoy project. TT is going to give her thoughts on this little project along with other things in life as well. So make sure you do stay tuned, keep watching, also watch my ads, share the channel with your family and your friends. Once again, this video is sponsored by Decojoy. I'm going to put all of Decojoy's information down in that description box. They do sell on Amazon. That link will be down in the description as well. And me and TT are going to have some game night fun, even though it's daylight out. But this rainbow scratch notepad is super duper kid friendly. This would be an amazing Christmas gift, birthday gift, just a gift in general. It doesn't matter. All children, I promise you, would love this. It's fun, it's safe, and it's super creative. And Decojoy's magic. And you guys, this is for ages 3 and up. So, if you want to have some fun with the little people, make sure you snag you one of these. It's magic and colorful gift notes. Now, TT has opened it up. I had played with it before she got here. I'm going to include some of that on the screen somewhere as well. But me and TT are going to get into this Decojoy Rainbow Scratch Notebook.
all I did is look at it.
That's all you did was look at it?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's pretty close there.
It comes with, I don't know how many of these. I didn't try to count them. But maybe 20 or so of your
30
vinyl bags. And I do think they're for when you paint you do your pictures, for you to put your pictures in them. That's what I think they're for. All of them do have a little slight hole in it, but it comes with 20 or 30 or so of those. It comes with the little 4 strips. Now, I did look at these, you guys, and it comes with 2 packs. These are duplicate packs. We're going to take them out and we're going to go to work with their duplicate packs. So you do have those. You do have your scratch dowels. There's maybe 20 or 30 in there as well. I've had mine that I opened, and it does come with 2 packs of the 12, and it's 12 packs of the rainbow scratch notepads in there. I've taken mine out, TT, but it does come with 2 packs of those. So if you got 12 and 12, you can have 24 little people, middle-aged people, whatever. Just 24 people can be enjoying this family fun at the same time.
You could just say out if she already wrote one.
Well, I wouldn't gift it out even if I only wanted one. If I gift it out, I would gift out the whole box.
Yeah.
So.
Because I would get the whole box.
Yes, you would. So we're going to take out 1 pad for TT. And like I say, I'm sorry. I'm going to show you what I did, you guys.
That's cute. See, little
it is. At the bottom? It is gorgeous.
And cute. That's what she made.
And I just did those 2. But me and TT is getting ready to have some fun. All of the pages are just your black scratch. And I did sign them, which you just have to freehanded. I signed my name here, and my channel name. Her home is Sora Sky Home, GlamQueenofDIY, and I put my name right here. We didn't put the She behind the scenes on here, but look at that, you guys. So we know we're gonna have some fun. Now, I will tell you, when you begin to scratch, I'm gonna lay something down on the table, because when you're scratching off of that black felt, you do have to keep knocking it to get it clean for you to be able to see what you're doing. So, with that being said, me and Titi finna get started. First things first, you gotta decide what it is you're trying to work with.
Which picture you want?
We have this. This is your, what I call your princess and a mermaid. You have your astronaut, your spaceship, your stars, and your earth. Your boy and girlfriend, that you got your sailing and your stuff to do with sailing.
It has a leaf in it.
You got your cars, your bus, your truck, and your boat. You have your cat, your dog, and your rabbit.
That's my favorite one.
You have your unicorn and your rainbow. That's the one you use.
Pets is my favorite.
You have your parrot with your, and everything that's parrot related. Everything on each stencil is related to, it's all grouped together. You have your fruits. You have your different types of leaves. I got it upside down, you guys.
Yeah.
Your leaves and your potted plant. You have your diamond. This is supposed to be more of the bling style. Your diamond, your crown, your stars, your diamond heel. This is the one I did use. You got your butterfly, your ant, and your beetle bug, your snake. And here's some animals like your dinosaurs, T-Rex.
Good that I choose it.
I am going to use the unicorn.
I just look at using the pet.
And Titi's doing the pet. Once again, make sure you do check out Decojoy to snag you some amazing kid-friendly, especially right now here at Christmas time, you guys. And this is super, super affordable. And as I told you guys,
use a paper to place this so we don't get the scratch all over the table.
that's correct. As I told you, this will scratch off. Now, it's very simple and easy to do. You just take your design, place your stencil on your paper, and whichever thing you want to trace out. You guys, and you can do this multiple ways. You can outline it, or you can color it in like such. You can outline it, or you can take and color it in. So we're gonna have some fun.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun for our children who can't find what they want. So you can go on Amazon and order one of these.
So you can go on Amazon and order one of these. And as you can see, you guys, all I'm doing is just scratching out.
I might go ahead and start. Can
Yeah.
I? Huh?
We started the process. Yeah. You're just gonna color all of that in. You can. And we're gonna do a
I think that was
sleepover with TT before Christmas. Her and a few of her cousins. And we're going to bring this out, and we're going to have some
We're going
fun.
to do it before Christmas.
Yes, we're going to do it before Christmas.
Because we're not going to be here for Christmas. I'm going to be at home. because I got Christmas presents there. And I have to open my stocking. It's super easy. All you just gotta hold it down tight.
Yes, you gotta hold it tight.
And then you gotta scratch. I'm done with my dog bone. Now I'll go start with the dog. I might ask Mama in case she gave me one of these for Christmas or for my birthday. Because Christmas is coming up. I would like to give one to my niece for. So she can stop using my markers and eating my markers. Now I'm on my rabbit. Where you at? You are the weeds. Baby, cursive. I don't have to write in cursive. Well, I don't have to write my last name in a. I don't have to write my name and my last name in cursive.
So I'm finished, and as you can see,
I'm not done. I already got like a little bit left because time to eat makes perfect.
this is what I say you need something to lay out for. So
Because
you
you
can
don't
knock
want it
that
all
out.
over your table. Okay. And
Now I'm going to sign mine, you guys.
that's what I was doing.
There you go, Glam Queen DIY. Now, if you're watching and you haven't become a part of the family, what are you waiting for? Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. If this is your first time here, welcome, welcome, welcome. Now here on Glam Queen DIY, you get just what the name says, a few DIYs. And you guys, we are inverting this channel to make it multi-niched. We're going to be doing a little bit of home decor, lifestyle vlogging, and DIY. So make sure you stay tuned. But this is what I've done. TT is finna to show you what she's created. And once again, make sure you do check out Decojoy to snag you some amazing kid-friendly products for this Christmas season.
Christmas season is fun for all your family. That's what I know.
This is what TT done. This is what I done. Now TT, on a scale of 1 to 10, how do you rate this for as it's a project that kids would like to play with?
10 out of 10.
You rate a 10 out of 10. Okay. Now, would you recommend all kids to have one of these?
10 out of 10.
That'd be a 10 out of 10. You heard it straight from TT's mouth. She rates this Rainbow Scratch notepad a 10 out of 10, and she recommended 10 out of 10 times for all children if they want to have one. Now, with that being said, you guys, thank you so much once again. Thank you, Decojoy, for sponsoring this video. And you guys, if you've been rocking with us for a while, you know I can't close out without letting you know to always, always, always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see you guys in another video. Any closing remarks, TT?
Closing remarks.
Anything you'd like to say before we close out?
I was gonna write my first and last name cursive because I know how to write my first and last name cursive.
Okay, she's gonna sign her name to hers, and we'll see you guys in another video. Once again, make sure you do check out Decojoy for some family fun and game nights, for sleepover. And you guys, this is for boys or girls. You guys, this is so much fun, and we'll see you in the next video. Well, go ahead. I do like it. You're not going to sign your name now? Go ahead and sign your name.
That's how I write it.
Let's raise the H in there. Now she autographed it. TT is an artist.